Okay, so I'm just showing y'all the wig straight out of the box. So this is what it's looking like. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and put some gel or some freeze spray to lay your edges back to get them out of the way so that they don't get in the way while you're gluing down your wig. The next thing you want to do is apply your cap. The cap that I use is it's actually pantyhose, and I got it from Walgreens. It's actually thinner, and it just gives you a better melt. So yeah, so that now I am putting the gel. I'm just basically putting the gel along her hairline because that's gonna create like the shape of the cap. So yeah, I'm going ahead and putting the gel directly on her hairline. And then I'm going to go in with the freeze spray and spray it behind the hairline to just make sure that cap is really on there. So once you've done that, you want to make sure you blow dry. You can either sit your client under the dryer, or you can use your blow dryer to just dry the cap. And then after you dry the cap, you're going to go ahead and just cut off that extra cap. And when you're cutting off the cap, you want to make sure you get as close as possible. You don't want to leave no extra cap on their head. If you do, just go in like with some freeze spray or some gel, got to be gel, and just mold it down. You don't want to have anything lifting or nothing like that. You want the cap to be very seamless as possible, because if it's not, it's going to show through the lace. Okay, once your cap is laid down, you're going to go ahead and apply your wig and adjust it to your client's head or your head. Now you're just going to cut the ear tabs off. Okay, now I'm just going to take 3 coats. You can use 3 to 4 coats of your glue of your choice, but I use the Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just going to apply 3 coats to her hair. Okay, so once the glue has dried clear, I'm going to go ahead and apply the left side first. So I'm going to apply the left side into the glue. When I apply the left side, I'm going to have my client hold the lace on that side. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the other side and have her hold the other side of the lace. Then I'm just going to comb the lace into the glue. Then blow dry it after I comb it into the glue. Okay, so after I blow dried it, I'm just going to take my elastic band and just basically tie down the hairline where the glue is. And you want to do this just to get that extra melt and make sure that lace is really melting into the glue. Okay, the key to getting a flat laid and slayed lace, you have to take the wax stick and your hot comb, and that's gonna give you that very, very flat look. So I just took my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm gonna go through each section and hot comb it to make sure it's really flat. Now I'm just taking my eyebrow razor and cutting off the lace. You just want to cut in sections. You could like cut it down the middle and cut each side. And you just want to make sure you're not cutting in a straight line. But the razor kind of already give it that jagged look. So I suggest using an eyebrow razor to cut your lace off. Okay, after you have cut all the lace off, you're going to go back in and any parts that you see lifting of the lace, just go back and apply extra glue to those sections just to make sure that they're glued down. Okay, once you have cut the lace and glued down the extra lace, I just like to go ahead and take some makeup because as y'all can see, the lace is a little bit lighter than her skin. So I just take some makeup of her shade and apply it to the front of the lace. Now I'm just sectioning off her baby hairs. And then once I section out the baby hairs, I'm going to braid them and spray some hairspray in between the lace of her baby hairs and the rest of the wig. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie it down with my elastic band. Okay, so right here I'm taking the Sebastian hair shaper hairspray and I'm just spraying the lace in between her baby hairs and the rest of her hair to just melt the lace even more. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to apply my elastic band again. Let that sit for a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just taking my Ruby Kisses cream to powder, and I'm just defining her part a little bit better. Okay, for my baby hairs, I just use the Got To Be gel. So that's all I'm doing is just laying her baby hairs. Okay, that wraps up this video. I hope y'all learned something. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. You guys, we are on the road to 300 subscribers. Let's get it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.